Damping can be defined as the reduction in amplitude of an oscillating system, and it's caused by the dissipation of energy due to a resistive force. Now, there are different types of damping. So if we start off by looking at a normal wave where the amplitude is staying constant. So one type of damping is underdamping, where the oscillation reduces gradually. The next is critical damping, where the system returns to equilibrium without oscillating in the minimum time possible. So that's the critical damping stage. And overdamping is where the system returns to equilibrium without oscillating, but it takes a bit longer. Now, these are all useful for different applications, so it's not that one is better than the other. We just need to know what we're wanting. And the idea about the critical damping is that critical implies we're changing from one system to another. So the critical damping is where it returns without oscillating in the minimum time possible. If we go slightly one way, it's not the minimum time anymore. If we go slightly the other way towards underdamping, then we get oscillations.